my gosh, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. We had a very good trading day. And I just gotta put you guys on the game real quick because I have some other things I gotta work today. I gotta go make a hair appointment because I wanna do my hair. As y'all can see, these last 3 months have been a little bit rough because of school. Post exams, so far we have passed every single class. We just need 2 more results and hopefully we pass and we can get into consolidation. Apart from that, let's get into what happens today. So what happens today, we only made, as you guys can see, is a little amount. It's not little, but like it's a little amount versus how much I regularly make, because the actual move of the day, I missed it. I was watching Vinland Saga, and bro, they killed the boy's dad, bro. I was just watching, I was like, damn. I was in despair. And as I was watching it, I completely forgot about the chart. The moment I turned my head, I said, oh my gosh, confirmation. I missed it. It hit TP1, TP2, TP3. It was already moving on to something else. You know what I'm saying? But let's bring out the chart so I can explain it completely and show you guys exactly where I am in my things. So we did actually, I haven't posted a little bit because we did indeed have some L's. I'm gonna lie to you. We did have some L's. Like last week, like the last 2 days of last week, and the reason why is because my trade actually won. I had like a psychology problem where I was messing with myself mentally, and it's blocked me from getting my win. But I'm gonna just show you my analytics just so you guys get an understanding. I know we were at 5,000 much, but as you guys can see, these 2 days were actual winning trades. But instead of me letting the trade ride out, I like escaped, and when I escaped, I got the L. As you can see, none of these are the actual L's that I'm supposed to get. Like, this was the day I wasn't supposed to take a trade, and I still took a trade. This is how it would be if my trade actually lost. If I lost a trade, mine was 1,008 or 1,005, likely 1,005. But that's neither here nor there. As you can see, we took 3 trades, got that. It's cool. But let me explain to you guys what happened. So a lot of you guys, if you guys do my strategy, you guys would have ended up with this type of trade. We woke up, and as you can see, 1 hour for value gap, boom. 4 hour for value gap, boom. 1 hour for value gap as well. When the market opened, obviously we're already in the top of the liquidity chain right here. So boom, liquidity is already taken, is actively being taken. Plus we're in a 4 hour for value gap, so we can expect a rejection. So I was thinking it could go up, but for it to get up, it has to come down because it has to respect this, then go through, because it needs liquidity to be able to fight this. But we didn't. So we had the first sell. My friend took this. Don't mind this rubbish. No. We had initial, look at that, break of structure. Boom. What did I follow by? We were seeing a little bit of like resistance here because of the 1 hour for value gap, obviously. But what did we do? We continued down here, and we took out this low. When we took out this low, all we did with this low was it was for us to be able to come back up a little bit and then go back down. So we took out this low, came down, and as you can see, 5 minute for value gap. So this is what I was initially supposed to be taking. While this was happening, I was distracted. Boom. You're supposed to take the short from here all the way TP1. Look at that. TP1, boom. 1.2. Like this, I would have won my trade because my profit daily target, I risked 1,005. My profit daily target would have taken me out for the dub. Boom. TP2 already 1,005. And then TP3, which is this low right here. I'm about to clean up my chart real soon. That is 2.7. So that's a lot. Like, think about 2.7 off of 1.5, off of 500. Like 2.7, that's like 1,000. That's like 1,700, and that's no, that's like 1,007. That's like 1,009, and that's off of this alone. That's off the 500 alone. Talk less of this. That would have been like 5,000 on like an actual like account if I did have a consistency rule. So that's where we're at for that. And then next, so when this happened, in my head I was like, damn, I missed the trade of the day. But if I see a potential type of snag, I'm gonna take it. Okay, we hit this liquidity. What did we see? A break of structure right there. Boom. As you can see, fair value gap. So when this happened, for it to be inverse, it actually has to close on the other side. I was on the phone with my boy. I said, if this goes above, if it closes above, I'm taking it. So what did I do? Right here, I took it, it closes above, closes under. Like you see, this is where I take whenever you have a fair value gap and the wick passes, take your stop loss at the end of the lowest wick. If it never disrespected the fair value gap, always have this here, because if you put it here, other cases you will lose. There are other days where you lose. A day like this you wouldn't have lost, but other days you would have lost. But you know, through my experience, this is what I've learned. So boom, take that, and then all the way, I took it from here all the way to here. Here was my first TP. I took half of my contract out. Mind you, so I was up 1,000. I was up like 1,002, but obviously TP1 was here, and the reason why I did here because that was the former confirmation of the last trade, and as you can see, I'm saying I would have really just needed to get about here to get my profit daily target. Less than here even. Maybe about here. I would have been Gucci. But you know, is what it is. We were overall profitable for the day, so I have no problems whatsoever. I'm not complaining about nothing. And we're gonna move on with my life. I gotta go make this quick trip to my hair stylist. So that's why this video is a little bit rushed, but just so you guys have an idea where we're at. Boom, 3,000. We just need like 4 more winning days of actually hitting our profit daily target. And let me pull up my top step just so y'all can see. You know, just calm. This one we just be playing around with, but we still be taking the trades with. You see, when I say I wasn't supposed to lose this day, and I was supposed to take a trade this day. This day, I think I took it out for some odd reason. I don't know why I took it out, but respectfully, we're supposed to be so much of a win. But mind you, this is the same 1,500 account. But this one doesn't have consistency rule. But it is what it is. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. This is a journey, and it involves all of us. You know, when I'm big, I'm gonna be like, these are the videos I made. You guys are gonna be coming from when I'm big or when I'm making a lot of money to be like, oh, this is the type of videos I was making. I was doing it. But I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment, let me know where you are in your journey. Hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the journey. You can be like, I was here since I was here. But I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace out.